merci aux organisateurs de nous avoir laissé 2 heures sur l'exécution des travaux. Et voilà, c'était bien.
So let's switch to English. So it's time to close this seminar, and when I proposed the motto, a geotechnical tribute, it had been a long time since I had reread Coulomb's memoir introduction. Since then, I read it again, and I found this sentence here. Mais c'est con, François, tiens, c'est fatigué. Bah alors, voilà. The sciences are monuments dedicated to the public good. Each citizen owes them a tribute proportionate to his talents. Having regards to the very high quality of all our speakers and their great talents, I'm convinced that these 2 days lived up to the tribute that we owe to Coulomb. All the lectures, workshops, and discussions showed that his legacy is still very much alive. I would like to thank the institutions that granted the seminar their patronage: the Académie des Sciences, the Académie des Technologies, the ISSMGE, the Fédération nationale des travaux publics, and I've been told that the quality of the lunch has been appreciated. Thanks to President Balouz to have been kind enough to open this seminar. Thanks also to our sponsors for their valuable support. Géos Ingénieurs Conseil, Sol Cloud, Sol Étanche Bachy, Spi Batignolles Fondation, Terrasol, SSI2U, alias Stéphane Brûlé, and Bureau Veritas. Many thanks to Professor Robertson for his remarkable Coulomb lecture, and to all the speakers for the very high scientific and technical level of the interventions. The organizing committee thanks all of them for having written their article on time, which made it possible to publish the special issue of our French journal of Geotechnics, La Revue Française de Géotechnique, and everyone is invited to submit papers to a Revue Française de Géotechnique. Moreover, all the presentations will be available soon on our website. On behalf of the CFMS and personally, I warmly thank all the members of the organizing committee who made this event possible: Laurent Briançon, Fat Cuira, Fabrice Emeriot, Philippe Gotteland, Alexandre Lopez, Farima Masrouri, and Alain Pecker. Thanks a lot. My thanks also go to the session chairs who made these 2 days run perfectly. Finally, thank you very much to everyone in attendance. We were about 150 persons who will, I hope, have enjoyed these 2 days of tribute to one of our greatest scientists in our history, Charles-Augustin COULOMB. Before leaving, I give you appointments to 5 events which will not be organized all by CFMS. Next year in Paris for the honorary Coulomb Lecture by Alain Pecker, organized by CFMS. Next year too in Poitiers, France, National Days on Geotechnical and Geological Engineering, co-organized by CFMS. Next year, also in Lisbon, the 20th European Conference on Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering. In 4 years, everywhere, for the bicentenary of the death of Ludwig van Beethoven. In 50 years, in Paris, for sure, for the tricentenary of the memoir of Coulomb. This last event will certainly be organized by the CFMS, but probably not by the same organizing committee. Thank you very much.